All right, good morning. Starting day 5. Yeah, day 5. Coming out of Prineville. Got a solid 20 miles of uphill and then 20 miles of downhill with ups and downs in the middle. Feeling pretty decent. Slept like a log last night. Dried out my tent. Seemed to work pretty well. Just hung it in the shower. The smoke is a lot better this morning than it was yesterday afternoon, and they removed the smoke warnings. So it's about 45 degrees right now. It's supposed to be sunny and clear once this smoke breaks. We'll see. But yeah, feeling pretty good. My legs are definitely sore, but feeling pretty decent. I ate a giant breakfast at what's it called, Dad's Diner or something. It was awesome. I'm burning between 2,000 and 4,000 calories a day. My bike is probably 80 pounds fully loaded with water. I have a shit ton of water. Looking forward to camping tonight. I think it'll be a cold one. Yeah, just gonna keep pedaling on. Oh, what a beautiful morning. See the smoke. Those random sunflowers. Good day for a pedal. Definitely taking it easy. I'm feeling it. Taking all the coasting I can and not pedaling, even though I could probably be cranking to get the day done faster. To be honest, I'm a little worried about tomorrow. It's like 66 miles, almost 4,000 feet of climbing for day 6. That's going to be a really big day for me. On a regular one-off, it'd be no problem, but day 6 is going to be a big one. So even though I have a lot of climbing today, I'm trying to do it slow and easy. It's the best I can do. All right, we made it to the Ochoco National Forest. One of my big climbs is going to start. Feeling pretty decent. It's really beautiful up here. I've ridden through here once before. Feeling pretty good. Going through the, I don't know if this counts as a canyon or a valley, but just the big rock structures going up. Pretty beautiful. Also nice and cool so far. Hoping the temperature stays down. Really nice and quiet, peaceful, except for those birds. Finished the 20 feet of climbing. 20 miles of climbing. Now, generally speaking, 20 miles of downhill, although somehow there's still 1,000 feet of climbing in this downhill. But happy to be coasting for a little bit. I did surprisingly well on that 1,400 foot climb or whatever it was at the end. 2,200 feet so far today. Even though coasting, it looks like it might be a bit of a slow coast, but we'll see. So we'll keep on, keep it on. Oh, rough roads. Definitely not gonna fly down this. Oof. Did a lot of descending. Still kind of going downhill, lighter grade. I think there's a lot less water over here than on the other side of the mountains, that's for sure. I guess they didn't get the rainstorms. I was worried about some of the river crossings over here, but all the creeks are essentially dry. So I've been riding about 3.5 hours today. It's weird, it seems like time is going fast. Oh, look how dusty it is. This guy is cruising. Whoa, look at the dust. Holy dust. Covering my face. Oh, need some glasses on. Don't notice the dust when you're riding by yourself. It's all behind you. This seems like time's just going fast. Or slow. Fast, I guess. I don't know. There's 3.5 hours. Seems like I've only been riding an hour. Maybe I'm just getting used to riding every day for 5 hours or something. Got at least one more good climb left. My legs are definitely sore. At least another, I don't know, 1,000 feet of climbing today. Only 13 miles-ish left to camp. Really glad I had a big breakfast this morning. Oh, eating those mountain houses versus real food on a ride. Whew. Let me tell you, real food, so much better. Not that mountain houses aren't good, but solid food, so much better. I tell you, this bike is doing awesome. Probably shouldn't jinx it. I did a complete workover, took the thing apart, re-greased everything, put some stuff back together, re-set up everything about a week and a half before the ride. It's been flawless so far. I don't know how many miles I've done, maybe 200 or something, but it's 200 hard miles. Now here's the first creek crossing. Not much to it. Doesn't look very deep today. Well, I'm not gonna ride it because somebody put a dam in it for some reason. That seems odd. Why somebody would put a dam on it? But probably could have ridden it, but not today. Too far to go. Too tired. Not taking risks. That's okay. Whew. That's what it's about right there. How beautiful. That's why we do these things. These are the rewards for going after your life goals. Made it to camp. Just getting set up here. Beautiful riding weather today. Beautiful view. Have a big day tomorrow. It's only 2 in the afternoon, so I'm just kind of taking my time, setting stuff up, charging my devices, and hang out, chill, get ready for a big day tomorrow.